Okay, so the next question is a set of n equal resistors of value R each are connected in series to a battery of EMF E and internal resistance R. The current drawn is I, and now the n resistors are connected in parallel to the same battery. Then the current drawn from the battery becomes 10I. The value of n is 10, 9, 20, 11. So as we know that the electrical resistance is NR, and we also know that I is equals to E by n plus 1R. Now as the current become in the second scenario 10I, so we get this equation where 10I is equals to E by R plus R by n. If we equate these two equations, we will find that n is 10. So the correct answer for this question is 10. Thank you.